And a separate report on home prices shows that gains accelerated in September. According to the S&P CoreLogic Case-Shiller Index, prices rose by 3.2%. And of the 20 cities that make up that index, Phoenix, Charlotte, and Tampa saw the biggest annual gains. Home prices are rising the most in the Sun Belt, where housing is more affordable than on the East or West Coast.
So what is today's housing data telling us about the housing market overall? Odeta Kushi is Deputy Chief Economist at First American Financial Corporation, and she joins us now to talk about that. Odeta, welcome back. Nice to have you with us again. We got a lot of data here to go through, but if you could give me kind of an umbrella of how you see the state of housing in the U.S. right now.
Absolutely. The housing market is really has some momentum going right now. As you can see from the new home sales data, the lower mortgage rates are really pushing people to buy homes where they can. And you can also see from the S&P Case-Shiller that we have the situation of high demand against limited supply of homes for sale, which is resulting in faster house price appreciation, especially in the Sun Belt cities. So overall, you can characterize this market by increasing demand, but very limited inventory for sale.
Why now? Why are we seeing this acceleration? Interest rates have been low for quite a long time. The jobs market has been strong for quite a long time. And we're not in the summer months when typically people start looking to buy or sell a home. So why are we seeing it now, do you think?
Well, there's a couple reasons. First, it takes some time for potential buyers to really realize that we're in a healthy market of historically low rates. But again, the job market has been fairly strong and wages have been rising. And so buyers are really taking advantage of this exact market where their affordability is the highest it's ever been.
So talk to me about some of those cities. We talked a little bit about the Sun Belt cities, certainly, but where else do you see exceptional strength?
So you see a lot of strength in some of these tertiary markets. The New York, the East Coast, the West Coast markets last year when mortgage rates were going up really became quite unaffordable. So you have some pullback, especially in first-time home buyers. So now those millennial first-time home buyers are moving to, the Phoenixes and Memphis. And that's why you're seeing the acceleration in some of these cities.
Do you think this lasts?
We're seeing some momentum going into 2020 as long as mortgage rates remain low and we still have a healthy labor market. We should see demand continue to rise, especially with this demographics of millennials entering that first-time homebuyer age. The issue, of course, will be, is there enough homes for these people to buy? Will inventory keep pace? And really the good news there is that builders in this Q4 have started to build more homes. And so we should see that realized in early 2020. But will it be enough to keep pace? That remains to be seen.
Indeed it does. Odeta Kushi with First American Financial Corporation. Thank you. Happy holidays.
You too.